What is the best product or method to use when removing scratches from polycarbonate lenses?
Hello everyone! Today, we're discussing a common problem faced by spectacle wearers: scratches on polycarbonate lenses. Over time, even minor scratches can distort your vision, but don't worry, we're going to cover the best method to remove those scratches effectively. Remember, however, that any DIY method carries a risk of damaging your lenses further, so use these tips with caution.
Why are polycarbonate lenses different?
Polycarbonate lenses are preferred for their high impact resistance and lightness. However, their surfaces are softer than glass, which makes them more prone to scratches. This is why it's crucial to handle them gently during the scratch removal process.
What do you need for scratch removal?
For this DIY scratch removal, you'll need the following: soft, lint-free cloth, mild dish soap, water, non-abrasive toothpaste or baking soda, eyeglass lens polish, optional. Ensure that the toothpaste is non-abrasive, as abrasive substances could cause more scratches.
How to remove scratches from polycarbonate lenses?
Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Clean the lenses thoroughly with mild dish soap and water, then gently dry with a lint-free cloth. This helps remove any debris that might cause further scratches during the polishing process. 2. Apply a small amount of non-abrasive toothpaste or baking soda to the cloth. 3. Gently rub the toothpaste or baking soda onto the lens in a circular motion. Do this for about 10 seconds. 4. Rinse off the toothpaste or baking soda with water. 5. Repeat the process if necessary. 6. If available, apply a small amount of eyeglass lens polish following the product's instructions. 7. Thoroughly clean the lens again to remove any residue.
What are the precautions to take?
While this method can reduce the visibility of minor scratches, it may not remove deep scratches. Also, remember that you should always use a gentle touch to avoid creating more scratches. If your lenses have anti-scratch or anti-reflective coating, this method might remove those coatings. Therefore, consult with your optician before attempting to remove scratches at home. That's it. We hope this tutorial helps you restore the clarity of your polycarbonate lenses. Remember, the best way to prevent scratches is to take good care of your glasses, store them in a case when not in use, and clean them with a microfiber cloth and lens cleaning solution regularly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.